Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Introducing the FACOM BS.R20PB, soft rolling toolbox. ProBag. This compact 14-inch tool bag is designed for effective tool organization. No more digging around for what you need. With an easy access tool compartment and elastic retaining straps, your tools stay secure and ready for action. Need extra storage. The FACOM BS.R20PB has 6 outside pockets and a spacious document compartment for all your essentials. Plus, the adjustable saw compartment with self-adhesive strips keeps everything in its place. Transporting your tools has never been easier. With 3 carrying solutions, wheels and a telescopic handle, an aluminum handle with a leather grip, and a padded shoulder strap. This toolbox is as versatile as you are.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.